Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making another origami in which we will make this bird called crane. For this you will need a scissor, a colorful chart, some decorative material and some glitters of different colors, and I'll apply them using a fevicol and a brush. That's all that you need for making this crane. So let's start the video. First of all, take your chart and fold it like this. And cut this extra portion. Unfold this and fold it from the opposite side. Now unfold it and fold it in half. And from the other side, your chart will look like this. Now what you need to do is fold these two inside and fold it like this. It will look like this. Now fold it like this. And do the same at the back. Fold it inwards. Give a nice squeeze. Now unfold all the folds and take this one and do like this. After doing it, it will look like this. Now do the same at the back. Perfect. Now it will look like this. And again fold it like this, and from the other side do the same at the back. Now take this and held them together and fold it like this. Now take this part and fold it like this. And from the other side. Great. Now again hold these two together and fold it. Open these two and fold them like this. Hold this from this part and pull these two outside. Fold one of them like this, and it will be the head of the crane. Now your crane is ready. Now it's time to decorate it. Now take your brush and glue and some glitters or anything you want and apply some glue on the feathers of the crane. With the help of a brush, spread the glue. Now take any glitter of your choice. I am taking this golden one and spread it all over this feather. So guys, I have decorated both the feathers with the golden glitter. So I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.